Hey friends, Catherine here. Today we are going to be folding a traditional lily. So we're going to be doing a flower. If you like these flowers, definitely let me know. I am happy to keep making them. But say something so that I know. Let's make it a blue lily. I think blue is an awesome color. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is fold it in half in all of the directions. That's 4 different folds. But the trick to this is you fold it in half in 2 of the ways, so the diagonal half, and then unfold it, and the other diagonal half, and then unfold it, and then flip it over. And then you want to do the parallel half one way, and then turn it and do the parallel half the other way. This will allow us, hopefully, to fold it in such a way that it meets these 2 ends and comes together into the shape of a triangle. And that is our first setup. Alright, next thing that we're going to do is take and stand each of these ends up and open them up so that they fold down along that center, so that that center matches up with the inner edges. If you can see that, here's our center crease on the one that we're working with right now, and it matches up with those inner edges. And hopefully we'll lie down flat. And then we'll just tuck that flap out of the way for now and do it with the other side. Stand it up, open, lie it down flat, and then flip that over and do the same thing for the last 2. Stand them up, open them up, lie them flat and out of the way, and last one, stand it up, open it up, hopefully, sorta, lie it flat, and then tuck its side piece out of the way. So now we've got 4 of these pointing up ends, and what we're going to do is take and flip them so that they are open, so that 2 face to one side and 2 are folded in toward the middle. Next up, we're going to do, again, to all 4 ends, is fold the outside short edge to the center. So outside short edge to the center on all 4, trying to keep our points even and neat, and bring it over and bring the next one around and put the outside short edge to the center and the outside. So this is the long edge and this is the short edge, in case you didn't know what I meant by the short edge. Outside short edge to the center, and close it down, but let's flatten that back out like that for now at least. Flip it over and do the other 2. Yep, that one we're going to do the outside to the center, and then to the center if we can, and bring it over, just keeping everything flat and even and nice. And last one, outside to the center and outside to the center. Okay, now we've got those all folded. Let's flatten it back out. What we're going to do is go around and undo all of those one at a time and flip the point of those ones that we've been working on and folding with down to meet the point at the other side. So it's kind of frog looking thing. Then we're going to bring those short ends to the center on the inside on each of them so that it ends up lying flat. So we're reversing all of those folds that we just did. Just going to take and open them up and reverse them to the inside. Go. Just need to slip my finger. Oh, come on. Underneath there and pull that straight. There we go. Trying to keep everything as neat as possible. Sometimes it works. All right, and then we bring that over and do the next one. So unfold, bring the tip down to meet the other tip, the other point, and bring the edges in so that we reverse those previous folds. One, and flatten, and two. I can get inside and pull it flat. There we go. And then flip this back over and turn it over and do the same thing to the other four. So we've done 2 so far, 2 more to go. Because this is a traditional lily, and the traditional origami lily has 4 petals. Go, pull that to the outside, go. Ooh, that's not good. There we are. And flatten down. There we have it. 3rd one done. Now open to the 4th one. And same thing last time. Bring it down. Press it toward the center. And reverse that fold. And press the other one toward the center. And reverse that fold. Okay. So far, so good. Now what we're going to do is get very, very close to the end. We're almost done. We're going to take and flip all of those points that we just made back upwards. So up, up, and then open it up from side to side. Oh, there we go. Up and up. Almost done. So we've got 4 here. Going to take and on the bottom part, so this is the part that isn't our petals, the part that is the center of the paper now, we are going to take each of our outside edges and line those up with the middle. Go. Oh, just trying to take 1 and not 2 though. Pick up 1 edge and not 2, because that is where I start going wrong. Okay? All right, 1 done. Flip it over. 2. There we go. And then open it up side to side. And do the 3rd one. And then flip it over and do the final one, the 4th one. And then that's everything for folding. Now we're ready to make our flower bloom. So let's start by taking these two ones that are to the outside and curling them outward. Around our fingers. Usually a finger's a really good thing to curl it out around. And we've got that nice curl going on. Alright, and then do it for the opposite side. Curl around our finger. And one to one side, one to the other side. And now we bring out our centerpieces and curl those outward too. And those are what's going to really make it stand out and open. Go, curl around our finger, and there we have it. The traditional Origami Lily, done with blue stripes. If you guys like this video, let me know. I am happy to hear from you. I put up videos every day, so there's always something new to come and see. And if you're interested in seeing the other things that I'm trying, because I'm always trying new things, go ahead and remember to subscribe. I will see you all later, and bye.